Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to some of the restaurants halal in Ramkhamhaeng. So before we going there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Now we are in one of the restaurant here. So basically we order from this code. So from this code they will show a lot of menu. Let's order something. They have specialty in salmon yam, and then the chicken wings, and also the beef. So we're gonna have all of this, guys. Okay guys, now the food is already here. I can't wait to eat all of the food, guys. It looks so yummy, so let's try. Okay, so this is the salmon yam, the Thai traditional salmon salad. So it looks really fresh. And the second food that we order is the beef with one of the egg here. So we're gonna mix the beef with the egg. And last is the chicken wings, the Korean chicken wings. And of course Thai, they love vegetable very much, so of course they give us like a bunch of fresh vegetables here. Okay guys, I want to review the salmon yam salad. Ooh, look at the texture. They give some chilies, and here's some fresh ingredients also here. So how to eat this? We eat the salmon with some onions. Okay, let's try, guys. Bismillah. Wow, it's so fresh. I even can feel this is uncooked salmon, but so chewy, and then the texture also fluffy, guys. Okay, let's try more. Wow, even the smell is like candy. Woo, I love this. Wow, definitely I will come back here again and eat this. Wow, I love this, very fresh, sour. I think because of some Thai ingredients, they love sour, they love lemon, so they added in this salmon yam. And also because of the fresh onion and some vegetables here, so it makes the salmon more fresh and delicious, guys. Wow, I love this. Wow, now I'm gonna eat the chicken wings Korean barbecue. So I'll take the drumstick. You can see here. Wow, the chicken is so tender. It's easy to bite. Look at this. The Korean barbecue sauce is really sweet and yum. So now we are still waiting for the beef to be cooked. So this is how normally Thai people cook the beef, guys.
trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know,
Okay guys, let's open this. Hey guys, I'm gonna try the beef and the vegetable soup here. So look at this beef. Wow, it's already cooked. Wow. So hot. Wow, it's nice. Let's try the veggies. So fresh. Oh, it's so hot, but I love to eat it while it's still hot, guys. Woo. I feel like I'm in somewhere like in winter or something, that I can eat all of this hot plate, hot soup. See, you can see the smoke still hot because they cook it with the charcoal, so it keeps the soup and everything inside hot. So now I want to try the beef with the sauce. So they give us some sauce here, Thai sauce. Let's try more. Okay guys, let's try again the salmon.
Ini aku tahu makan deh.
everything is already finished here. Everything we eat is really yum. Recommended for you to try if you are in Bangkok. So if you want to know where is this place, I'm gonna put the link in my description below. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share to your friends, and comment below, guys. You can also give me any recommendations so I can try next time. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. So see you again in the next video, guys. Bye bye.
I don't wanna wake up.